Hello everybody, welcome back to ARK Survival Ascended, and in this episode, I'm going to be taming that guy. Yeah, I accidentally got him stuck in here, off camera, but because my game crashed and then I rebooted all that kind of stuff. But we're going to tame this guy. I'm going to tame this guy up. He's going to go to sleep. He's a level 140. Look at that. And she is a beautiful color. Blue and white, like a supernova, kinda. I think she's beautiful. I don't want to headshot you anymore. Oh, go sleep. Go sleep. I did want a 150, but 140 is still really good. 150 is our max level. Please go sleep. There it is. We have a sleeping 140 Argentavis. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Yeah, I lost my gloves. I worked on the base a little bit. I got 2 circles on both sides now. This is gonna be like my storage dome. Or my storage area. I happened to drop it, I got that. So probably one of these. Just in case you try to wake up. And we have these 2 giant gate or medium-sized gateways for birds and flyers to believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen. In the middle, after making that last episode, right up there was a level 5 Carcharodontosaurus, and that almost dropped right down on top of that base. That would not have been a good day. How sad that day would have been? Oh, very, very sad. But with this guy will help us get all our tames from over there, and most of them from over there to over here, and we finish this base, and it's safe. And help us get materials from down there up here and down and all that stuff. And this guy works as a smithy. And just remembering that, his food just needs to drop down way more. And I've gotten a few levels. I can officially make. Oh, I should have. But I can make these. I can make my pistol won't be useless after I craft all that. But we are still like 34 levels to go. We are going to hit that save button because this game crashes too. But if you guys are loving my outfit, look at this. Fur, keratin, and metal on top. I hope you guys are enjoying all these episodes and all the time I put into these. And I hope you're enjoying this cool base look so far. But I guess while this guy starves, I'm actually going to get him on the progress video. That. Try to prime meat. There was a level 150 Sabertooth down here somewhere as well. I did see that. But I don't really care about that anymore. Look at this guy. Hopefully I can find another really nice looking 150 male Argentavis. And then I would have a breeding pair. At 70 levels right now. They'll probably add about 70 levels when it's killed. So it'll be about a level 200, about 210, I think. And yes, those are wolves, and no, I do not care about them. Sure, yeah, it can put, like, a double door right. A Dumbledore. A double door right here, I guess. Amount of traffic. I can, that's all that will ever be used for. It will be used one time, probably, before, I want a little balcony right here. And actually, under here, there are these two really neat designs that if I want to, I can put something down inside of them. There's one right here. They are just a hollow tube. Whoops. But, yeah, they're just a hollow tube. And there's one right over here. They're like two platforms away from the start gates on both sides. And this is a very even build. Like, extremely even. And my little setup, little thing stuff. A few things just sitting over here. I did have one more somewhere. Uh-oh. No. happen when this guy comes up. He's gonna have a pretty good, weight stat. So, you don't know how long it took to get all these triangle platforms for both these sides. There's one pillar dead center. I'm going to change that. There's going to be 3 pillars, or a few pillars on each one when I am done. Because I cannot ever risk these things. Because if they broke, I don't think I would be playing anymore. I think I would quit right there, right there. Actually, after I made the last episode, and I was editing it, yeah, like a little bit after that, while I was editing, I completely forgot about ground Carno. Yeah, he here still. The ground Carno is still here. And oh, he was not a happy camper. Tell me, what other games would you like to see me play? They're gonna stop howling at one of these times. They sound scary close. I can't get that one. I can probably. Well, it is even. Because there's no 100%. Where's it gonna go all the way down? We're gonna wait till that gets down to 5,000. Or around 5,000 or something until we think it's really good enough. We will be back as soon as that is done, and hopefully I'll have a smithy over here. I'll have a smithy and a few forges. So, ready. Okay, so we'll be back soon. See you in a minute. Or, I guess, like, probably. See you in a little bit, I guess. Hello, everybody. We are back. And I think it's about time to climb up on level 140 like we did this time. Well, while he was dropping, I did this. Because I've gotten these from drops, and I've just been stockpiling them. I've gotten a few stuff going on over here. I got some prime meat. Prime meat in here. Ready to set this guy up. Thinking of it? Let's go. 2 pieces. 3 pieces. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Argentavis. And I already have a name idea for our Nove. Look at this beautiful, beautiful tree. 600 weight. She may be slow, but ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have an Argentavis, a beautiful looking one. Look at her stamina. It is not going down. Oh yeah, I also added this little thing in the front. Like a little patio. But look at this beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna have to break all these guys and not really. But that's when I finish this place. I don't even know what to do. Maybe we go and test out this girl? So here's what's going on. Dropped. So there's a Cardanosaurus down there. So we aren't knowing that. What about these two Argentavis? I don't want to guarantee that. Nova. Let's see what Nova's power. How much damage Nova can do. Alright. Did I do that? What happened? Argentavis join us. This one. I guess Argentavis. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. Oh! Whoa! Whoops! I have some stamina. Shoot up. That is completely one of each of those. Does everything go up like this? Health's going up, stamina's going up, food is going up. That is nice. But yeah, stamina. Stamina's going to be a really important thing to level up with this Argentavis. So we can fly long distances and then wait so we can carry long distances. Speaking of that, we got our smithy on it too. Look at this base circle. And now it's a platform. But later, it's gonna be this huge base. because look, the Argentavist appeared. Whoop. Oh, we jumped the gap. I brought some materials over from the other place as well. A bunch of metal. I think I want to make these, some of these, and some of these. Oops. Oh, I guess I don't really need this. But I do need hands and chest. Look at this. Where are my... Oh yeah, I go to play this. Shining. Oh. These suck. But they actually have a half decent cold resistance, but a horrible heat resistance. What are these? Bad heat resistance. Maybe 158. Ah! And now these are we are now a flak board. We are completely metal armor now. This is our brand new look for now. But we're gonna just be a safe idea. Just, you know, splash a little color. I don't know where I got this. Do that. Do this. That. We have helmet. Next is the chest. Very close. This is going to be this. Black. Now these straps are inside. Something right back there. I can see it slightly changing. We'll do one more. And then right here, it'll I'll just make them be red and those black. Ladies and gentlemen, here is our outfit. Look at us now. We are all dressed out. We kind of match our bird now with our blue. Nove. I love this bird. One thing every episode. I don't know if we tamed something episode 2, but I know we've tamed every one thing at least once every other episode. Or once every episode. Itch. So far, itch. How much weight do we take off? Barely anything. There we go. No, landscape. Yeah. For the I love these new trees they have here. Find them everywhere. Look at our brand new bird, everybody. Look at this bird. I'm not gonna ever stop at this. Look at it. Beautiful. Level 4, 200. Should we do a flight all the way over to our old base and grab like our end key? See if we can do the flight in one go? Because if we can, then we can really far apart. I'll do this in between episodes, but I'll do that between episodes, so we can get some of our creatures over. Okay? I also kind of want to tame the raptor still. We haven't tamed one yet. Next episode, I'm gonna bring over maybe tame a raptor or something. Because if we tame something every episode, I guess I have maybe tame the Carcharodontosaurus, because last time I checked, I have no, I don't. I don't. Okay. Oh. But this is going to be the nicest base, and probably one of the coolest bases I have ever built in ARK Survival. Because I never built a cool base in ARK Survival Evolved. And the base that we built over there in this game looked bad. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty bad. But I think in the next episode, this base will not be almost done. It's nowhere near. But we're gonna get walls, and hopefully it'll be closer to getting done, and we can start bringing over some friends. But in that case, I hope you all enjoyed these episodes. Hope you guys had a fantastic day and a fantastic night. And I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye, guys!